Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we are in South Gulf Cove. I want to show you this first choice home that is actually available, and their planning of completion will be sometimes in January. So this home is available. You don't have to wait for them to build it. It's probably going to go fast. So if you're interested, please give us a call at 239-410-7372. It's the 1866 model. It has 1,866 square feet. And it's 3 bedrooms, a den, and let me see, I just got this, so I haven't even gone in, so be patient with me. I was going through a building, they tell me that this house was available, and I said, well, I'll take a quick video on it, because right now a lot of people are looking for Gulf access homes with a pool, and I hope, one of you guys can pick it up if you're interested. Okay, so I cannot go through the front door because they haven't put the door handles yet. But I just want to show you the layout. Here it is. This is the entrance. Very nice. They have all impact windows. It's a very nice home. The layout looks like. Total square footage is 2,681. That's total. And over here, we'll do the canal later. Let's do the inside of the house first. Okay, let me start at the front door. Okay, I'm over here on the front door. Okay, as you come in, you got the beautiful view of the canal. A beautiful kitchen. Very nice. Lengthy space here in the living room. You have your den. Nice sized den. Your double doors. Here's probably where your dining room will go. And from the dining room, you got the view of the pool and the canal. Let's keep going over here. This is another room here. Pretty big rooms. I like this, and check out the closet. Pretty big closet here. Nice. Here's the bathroom. And over here is the second room with a view of the canal. And now let's go over the master. Nice size, beautiful view of the water. Check that out. Okay, let me stand over here in the corner so you can visualize the size. Show you ceilings. Nice comfort ceilings with fan. As you come in here, you got closet number 1, closet number 2. And it actually has 2 doors. The closet has a door through here and a door through the other side. Pretty cool. And over here, you got your water closet. Nice vanity with the sink, and on the other side, you have one the same way over here, much bigger. Okay, and then you have your walk-in shower. I'm sorry that this video is turning out to be too fast. But the thing is, I just had the opportunity to film it, and they're waiting for me outside, so I said, well, this is something that a lot of you are looking for, golf access home in Port Charlotte, South Gulf Cove. So I say, well, I better come over here and do a quick video. Let me go over here. This will be the laundry. And this is the humongous 3-car garage. Remember, if you want information on this property, feel free to contact us, 239-410-7372. And we'll try to get more information on it. Out here, this is the pool. This is what Florida life is all about. As you can see, right next to the canal. Let's walk over to the canal here. Nice view. Look at that. Very uniform. Canal walls are, I think in this area here, they made the canals or walls all at the same time, so everything's uniform. Over here is the side of the house. So I'm sorry that I could not show you a finished product, but the houses are going here pretty fast. So this house of today, Saturday, is still available. So if you like the layout, they could build you one, but it'll take you 18 months or more. Okay. For prices, I'll put on the description below. I'll see if I could put just the price as of today. Okay. So hope you enjoyed this video. And signing off from Port Charlotte, South Gulf Cove. See you on the next video.